Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video we are going to take the Sony ZV-E10 for a spin and actually take some photos with it. Yes, Lightroom has finally added support for the Sony ZV-E10 after like 10 months or so? I don't know. So yeah, I've been taking quite a few photos with the ZV-E10 already and I'm finally able to develop them. I think the ZV-E10 is pretty much the best bang for the buck camera, hybrid camera actually, because it is great for videos or like a YouTube studio setup like this. And it's also great for photos because it has the same sensor as the A6000 series cameras. So yeah, today we are going to take out the ZV-E10 and take some photos. This is going to be a POV. I will have the GoPro with me and we will be shooting on the Sony 1.8 35mm, which is around 50mm equivalent. So while this video is going to be a street photography POV, I actually have to go for a 3-hour walk and pick up my car at my office. Long story short, I had a kind of a emergency, had to let my car there and had to be driven back home. So I gotta pick it up somehow and I will just walk. It's I think a 10-mile walk, 15 kilometers. And yeah, we will see if we can take some good photos on the way. So yeah, enough of me talking, let's head outside. Alright, and we are around 30 minutes in. We are straight in the middle of nowhere. And I've just been warming up a little bit. I've taken some test shots, been playing with the GoPro Hero 10 a little bit. And yeah, as you can see, there's just not much to see out here. So I will report back if we are in a more urban type of environment. For the audio today, we will have to rely on only the GoPro Hero 10 Black. No external microphone attached, so yeah. But I think it will do it for this video. I gotta be honest, I haven't found much to shoot yet. And we are around about 50 minutes in. That is a little disappointing, but that's sometimes how it goes, right? Should have taken a photo of these graffitis here. I'm not sure. I should have taken the photo of that lady that was walking towards me, but I was too shy to actually do it. And of course, I just realized that I was not filming while I was taking a couple photos and talking to you. So basically, what I was saying is that we are now in an area which is, this is not a town, this is not a village, this is something in between. And I don't know what that's called, but yeah. So let's see if we can take a couple photos here. Ooh, this looks nice. Wow. There's a nice BMW right there. Let's see. Let's focus on the car. Boom. Beautiful. Check this out. They're doing, but they're doing something. Are we going to take the bus from here? Well, not yet, I guess. Okay, so this might actually be interesting. This way goes straight on top of the Autobahn. Let's see if we can take some pictures there. Okay, so let's talk about my camera settings for a little bit. So as I said earlier, I got the 35mm 1.8 on the ZV-E10. And I'm shooting in aperture priority mode. I have the ISO set to auto. It is completely overcast here today, but it will most of the time stick to 100. Yes. So what do we have here? So we definitely have some leading lines over here, but I'm not sure about that. Let's take the photo anyways. That's kind of cool with this lock here. Let's see if we can get this guy. I gotta be honest, I haven't found anything to shoot around here. So yeah, we might be taking the bus from here. Alright, and we are back home. So yeah, as you saw, you don't always take great photos when you go outside and shoot, but that is sometimes how it goes. There were still a few photos that I liked, but overall there was just not much for me to shoot. And yeah, I will show you some other photos of a different shoot that I did in just a second. Yeah, anyways, as I said in the beginning, I still think the Sony ZV-E10 is one of the best bang for the buck cameras that you can currently get, because it does take great photos and is also perfect for a studio slash YouTube setup like this. The great thing about it is that you can exchange lenses, and it is just very flexible and capable for the price point. So would I suggest the camera for photography? Definitely. If you want to pick it up, there's a link down below for you in the description. Also, if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on notifications so you will never miss when I upload a new video. Well, and that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.